So here it is. So what we're going to do, you're going to cut off about this much and this much so that you're left, so you're going about, I don't know, 2/3 of the way down and about 1 inch up on your stem and just cutting that off. And you can keep the trimmings and use it in teas and stocks if you want. You don't have to throw it away. You can freeze it and use it in stocks. But what we want is the tender heart of your lemongrass. So we're going to peel away all these layers. All of these layers that you're peeling off could be made into a lemongrass tea, or they could go into your Thai soups. You could even throw chunks into this noodle, into this dish as an aromatic. If you wanted more lemongrass flavor, you could like take this chunk and throw it in while you're cooking, and it would add some flavor. Now, what I'm left with here, not this part, this is still really tough, but this, you can feel it, it's all tender. Some of you might have to go further in to get that tender part, but mine is this part from here to here is nice and tender, and I can now slice through it. This is what I call the heart of your lemongrass, okay? So all of this is either waste or you use it in stocks and soups, okay? And what you're left with is about a tablespoon's worth for each stalk. So aromatic. So whenever you're using lemongrass in a sauce, when you're actually going to eat it, use the hearts and chop it up like this. Otherwise, you're using it as an aromatic, and it's there for flavor, but you don't eat it. You pull it out. So I did a private Thai group on Friday, and we were chatting about lemongrass, and I was like, these chunks of galangal and lemongrass that you get in your hot and sour soup, you're not supposed to eat those. And about 4 people went, oh, because they've always tried to eat them and gone, why is this so disgusting? Because you're not supposed to eat them. They're in there for flavor. What we call aromatics. Okay, so that's my lemongrass. Lemongrass is not used as much in Thai cooking as it is in Vietnamese and Cambodian. You don't see it as much. So that's my lemongrass all chopped up, heart of lemongrass, okay?